Sustainable. Adjective. Long-lasting, renewable. Unsustainable, temporary. 2. Development. Noun. Growth, progress. Decline, stagnation. 3. Goals. Noun, plural. Objectives, aims. Aimlessness, neglect. 4. Established. Verb/adjective. Founded, set up. Abolished, disbanded. 5. United Nations. Noun. UN, international body. 6. Global. Adjective. Worldwide, universal. Local, regional. 7. Objectives. Noun. Goals, targets. Confusion, aimlessness. 8. Aimed. Verb. Targeted, intended. Ignored, avoided. 9. Fostering. Verb. Promoting, nurturing. Hindering, suppressing. 10. Better. Adjective. Improved, superior. Worse, inferior. 11. Future. Noun. Coming time, tomorrow. Past, history. 12. Climate. Noun. Weather, atmosphere. 13. Action. Noun. Effort, step. Inaction, passivity. 14. Particularly. Adverb. Especially, notably. Generally, rarely. 15. Relevant. Adjective. Related, appropriate. Irrelevant, inappropriate. 16. Highly. Adverb. Very, extremely. Slightly, barely. 17. Susceptible, / Adjective. Vulnerable, prone. Immune, resistant. 18. Impacts. Noun, plural. Effects, consequences. Causes, sources. 19. Warming, / Noun. Heating, rising temperature. Cooling, freezing. 20. Vulnerability, / Noun. Weakness, risk. Strength, stability. 21. Largely. Adverb. Mostly, mainly. Rarely, partially. 22. Due to. Phrase. Because of, owing to. Regardless of, despite. 23. Diverse. Adjective. Varied, heterogeneous. Uniform, similar. 24. Geography. Noun. Terrain, landscape. 25. Includes. Verb. Contains, consists of. Excludes, omits. 26. Mountain. Noun. Peak, hill. Valley, plain. 27. Ranges. Noun. Series, chains. Single, individual. 28. Vast. Adjective. Huge, extensive. Tiny, limited. 29. Plains. Noun. Flatlands, lowlands. Hills, mountains. 30. Extensive, / Adjective. Broad, far-reaching. Narrow, limited. 31. Coastline. Noun. Shore, seaboard. Inland. 32. Diversity. Noun. Variety, multiplicity. Uniformity, sameness. 33. Particularly. Adverb. Especially. Generally. 34. Prone to. Adjective/phrase. Likely to, vulnerable to. Resistant to, safe from. 35. Risks. Noun, plural. Dangers, threats. Safety, security. 36. Glacial. Adjective. Icy, freezing. Hot, tropical. 37. Melt. Verb. Liquefy, thaw. Freeze, solidify. 38. Extreme. Adjective. Intense, severe. Mild, moderate. 39. Heat. Noun. Warmth, high temperature. Cold, chill. 40. Sea level. Noun. Ocean level. 41. Rise, slash. Noun/verb. Increase, elevate. Fall, decline. 42. Moreover. Adverb. Furthermore, in addition. However, nevertheless. 43. Heavy, slash. Adjective. Intense, large. Light, slight. 44. Dependence. Noun. Reliance, need. Independence, self-sufficiency. 45. Agriculture. Noun. Farming, cultivation. Industry, urban life. 46. Sector. Noun. Division, area. Whole, entirety. 47. Sensitive. Adjective. Delicate, easily affected. Tough, insensitive. 48. Precipitation, slash. Noun. Rainfall, downpour. Dryness, drought. 49. Exacerbates. Verb. Worsens, intensifies. Alleviates, eases. 50. Rapid. Adjective. Fast, quick. Slow, gradual. 51. Urbanization. Noun. City development, urban growth. Ruralization, countryside expansion. 52. Coupled with. Phrase. Combined with, along with. Separate from, independent of. 53. Inadequate. Adjective. Insufficient, lacking. Sufficient, adequate. 54. Infrastructure. Noun. Framework, foundation. Collapse, disorganization. 55. Further. Adverb/verb/adjective. Additionally, advance. Less, reduce. 56. Increase. Verb/noun. Grow, expand. Decrease, reduce. 57. Induced. Verb. Caused, triggered. Prevented, blocked. 58. Disasters. Noun, plural. Calamities, catastrophes. Blessings, safety. 59. Heat waves. Noun, plural. Hot spells, extreme heat. Cold waves, chill. 60. Flooding. Noun. Inundation, overflow. Drought, dryness. 61. Compounding, slash. Verb. Intensifying, worsening. Alleviating, easing. 62. Challenges, slash. Noun, plural. Difficulties, obstacles. Opportunities, ease. 63. Limited. Adjective. Restricted, finite. Unlimited, abundant. 64. Financial. Adjective. Economic, monetary. Non-financial, emotional. 65. Technical. Adjective. Mechanical, scientific. Non-technical, general. 66. Resources. Noun, plural. Assets, supplies. Scarcity, lack. 67. Hinder. Verb. Obstruct, delay. Help, promote. 68. Ability. Noun. Capability, skill. Inability, weakness. 69. Effectively. Adverb. Efficiently, successfully. Ineffectively, poorly. 70. Mitigate. Verb. Reduce, lessen. Worsen, intensify. 71. Adapt. Verb. Adjust, modify. Resist, reject. 72. Population. Noun. Inhabitants, people. Emptiness, depopulation. 73. Exceeding. Verb/adjective. Surpassing, going beyond. Under, within. 74. Million, slash. Noun. 10 lock, large number. 0, few. 75. Face. Verb. Confront, encounter. Avoid, escape. 76. Immense, slash. Adjective. Huge, enormous. Tiny, little. 77. Ongoing. Adjective. Continuing, in progress. Ended, completed. 78. Factors. Noun, plural. Elements, causes. Consequences, outcomes. 79. Collectively. Adverb. Together, jointly. Individually, separately. 80. Intensify. Verb. Heighten, escalate. Reduce, ease. 81. Effects. Noun, plural. Results, outcomes. Causes, sources. 82. Explored, slash. Verb. Investigated, examined. Ignored, neglected. 83. In detail. Phrase. Thoroughly, comprehensively. Briefly, generally. 84. Below. Preposition/adverb. Under, beneath. Above, over. One. Rising. Adjective/verb. Increasing, ascending. Falling, declining. 2. Heat waves. Noun. Hot spells, extreme heat. Cold waves, chill. 3. Geographical. Adjective. Spatial, topographic. Non-geographical. 4. Significant. Adjective. Important, notable. Insignificant, trivial. 5. Decades. Noun, plural. 10-year periods. Moments, years. 6. Trend. Noun. Pattern, tendency. Irregularity, anomaly. 7. Primarily. Adverb. Mainly, chiefly. Secondarily, marginally. 8. Greenhouse. Adjective/noun. Glass house, warming related. 9. Emission. Noun. Discharge, release. Absorption, containment. 10. Trap, / verb/noun. Capture, snare. Release, free. 11. Atmosphere. Noun. Air, climate. Vacuum, emptiness. 12. Frequent. Adjective. Common, repeated. Rare, infrequent. 13. Outpaced. Verb. Surpassed, overtook. Lagged, trailed. 14. Product, / noun. Outcome, creation. Cause, raw material. 15. Patterns, / noun, plural. Models, sequences. Chaos, randomness. 16. Island. Noun. Isle, landmass. Mainland, continent. 17. Densely. Adverb. Heavily, thickly. Sparsely, lightly. 18. Built up. Adjective. Urbanized, constructed. Rural, undeveloped. 19. Retain. Verb. Keep, preserve. Lose, release. 20. Poses. Verb. Presents, creates. Removes, eliminates. 21. Severe. Adjective. Harsh, intense. Mild, gentle. 22. Evidenced. Verb. Proved, demonstrated. Denied, disproved. 23. Concentrations. Noun. Densities, accumulation. Dispersal, dilution. 24. Combat. Verb. Fight, counter. Support, assist. 25. Introduced. Verb. Launched, presented. Removed, withdrew. 26. Management. Noun. Control, administration. Mismanagement, disorganization. 27. Including. Preposition. Containing, comprising. Excluding, omitting. 28. Warning. Noun. Alert, caution. Encouragement, approval. 29. Awareness. Noun. Consciousness, knowledge. Ignorance, unawareness. 30. Campaigns. Noun, plural. Movements, drives. Inactivity, passivity. 31. Effort. Noun. Attempt, endeavor. Negligence, idleness. 32. Align. Verb. Coordinate, match. Misalign, oppose. Paragraph 3. No. 1. Melting. Noun slash verb. Thawing, liquefying. Freezing, solidifying. 2. Glaciers. Noun, plural. Ice masses, icebergs. 3. Scarcity. Noun. Shortage, lack. Abundance, surplus. 4. Extend, slash. Verb. Expand, stretch. Shorten, limit. 5. Beyond, slash. Preposition slash adverb. Farther, outside. Within, inside. 6. Himalayas. Noun, proper. 7. Karakoram. Noun, proper. 8. Crucial. Adjective. Essential, vital. Trivial, unimportant. 9. Feeding. Verb slash adjective. Nourishing, supplying. Starving, depriving. 10. Indus River. Noun, proper. 11. Accelerated. Verb slash adjective. Hastened, quickened. Slowed, delayed. 12. Flow. Noun slash verb. Stream, movement. Blockage, stoppage. 13. Leading to. Phrase. Resulting in, causing. Preventing, avoiding. 14. Reduced. Verb slash adjective. Decreased, lowered. Increased, amplified. 15. Availability. Noun. Accessibility, presence. Unavailability, scarcity. 16. Threatening. Adjective slash verb. Endangering, alarming. Protecting, assuring. 17. Agriculture. Noun. Farming, cultivation. Industry, urbanization. 18. Water supplies. Noun, plural. Water sources, resources. Drought, water scarcity. 19. Acute. Adjective. Intense, severe. Mild, dull. 20. Shifts. Noun slash verb. Changes, movements. Stability, constancy. 21. Shrink. Verb. Contract, reduce. Expand, grow. 22. Regenerate. Verb. Renew, restore. Decay, deteriorate. 23. Implemented. Verb. Enforced, applied. Ignored, postponed. 24. Glacial. Adjective. Icy, frozen. Tropical, hot. 25. Lake. Noun. Pond, water body. Desert, land. 26. Outburst, slash. Noun. Eruption, explosion. Calmness, containment. 27. Focusing. Verb. Concentrating, targeting. Ignoring, distracting. 28. Building, slash. Verb slash noun. Constructing, structure. Demolishing, destroying. 29. Constructing. Verb. Erecting, establishing. Dismantling, destroying. 30. Protective. Adjective. Shielding, defensive. Harmful, exposing. 31. Associated. Adjective slash verb. Connected, related. Unrelated, disconnected. Parent. 1. Frequency. Noun. Rate, recurrence. Rarity, infrequency. 2. Events. Noun. Incidents, occurrences. Absence, inactivity. 3. Intensify. Verb. Increase, escalate. Lessen, reduce. 4. Witnessing. Verb/noun. Observing, seeing. Ignoring, overlooking. 5. Severity. Noun. Harshness, seriousness. Mildness, gentleness. 6. Cyclones. Noun. Storms, hurricanes. Calm, stillness. 7. Susceptible. Adjective. Vulnerable, exposed. Immune, resistant. 8. Climate-induced. Adjective. Environmental, weather-related. Artificial, unrelated. 9. Disrupted. Verb/adjective. Disturbed, broken. Maintained, restored. 10. Rainfall. Noun. Precipitation, shower. Drought, dryness. 11. Prolonged. Adjective. Extended, lengthy. Brief, short. 12. Drought. Adjective. Arid, parched, / wet, moist. 13. Periods. Noun. Durations, phases. Moments, instants. 14. Estimated. Verb/adjective. Predicted, calculated. Measured, exact. 15. Resultantly. Adverb. Consequently, therefore. Separately, unrelatedly. 16. Insecurity. Noun. Risk, uncertainty. Security, safety. 17. Commitment. Noun. Dedication, obligation. Indifference, apathy. 18. Enhances. Verb. Improves, boosts. Decreases, weakens. 19. Preparedness. Noun. Readiness, alertness. Unpreparedness, negligence. 20. Response. Noun. Reaction, reply. Silence, indifference. 21. Mechanism. Noun. Process, system. Disorganization, randomness. 22. Aiming. Verb. Targeting, intending. Avoiding, neglecting. 23. Build. Verb. Construct, develop. Destroy, demolish. 24. Resilience, / noun. Toughness, flexibility. Fragility, / weakness. 25. Vulnerable. Adjective. Exposed, unprotected. Protected, strong. 1. Security. Noun. Safety, protection. Danger, insecurity. 2. Sector. Noun. Division, field. Whole, unity. 3. Troubling. Adjective. Worrying, disturbing. Calming, reassuring. 4. Reliance. Noun. Dependence, trust. Independence, self-reliance. 5. Employment. Noun. Job, occupation. Unemployment, idleness. 6. Unpredictable. Adjective. Uncertain, erratic. Predictable, certain. 7. Less. Adjective. Pure, reduced. More, greater. 8. Productive. Adjective. Efficient, fruitful. Unproductive, idle. 9. Sensitive. Adjective. Responsive, delicate. Insensitive, tough. 10. Variations. Noun. Differences, changes. Uniformity, sameness. 11. Significant. Adjective. Important, notable. Insignificant, trivial. 12. Rejected. Adjective. Forecasted, estimated. Unexpected, surprising. 13. Wheat. Noun. Grain, cereal. 14. Yield. Noun/verb. Output, produce. Loss, decline. 15. Decline. Noun slash verb. Decrease, drop. Rise, growth. 16. Data source. Noun. Reference, origin. Misinformation, guess. 17. Furthermore. Adverb. Moreover, in addition. However, nevertheless. 18. Locust. Noun. Grasshopper. 19. Attack. Noun slash verb. Assault, strike. Defense, protection. 20. Driven by. Phrase. Motivated by, caused by. Unrelated to, unaffected. 21. Unusual. Adjective. Rare, strange. Usual, common. 22. Crop. Noun. Harvest, produce. 23. Losses. Noun. Damages, reductions. Gains, profits. 24. Worth. Noun. Value, merit. Worthlessness, insignificance. 25. Highlighting. Verb. Emphasizing, showcasing. Ignoring, hiding. 26. Lies, slash. Verb slash noun. Rests, falsehoods. Truths, stands. 27. Growth. Noun. Development, increase. Decline, shrinkage. 28. Productivity. Noun. Efficiency, output. Inefficiency, laziness. 29. Smart. Adjective. Intelligent, clever. Dull, foolish. 30. Practices. Noun. Methods, techniques. Neglect, mismanagement. 31. Initiative. Noun. Action, move. Hesitation, inaction. 32. Developing. Adjective slash verb. Growing, advancing. Declining, regressing. 33. Drought resist. Adjective. Tolerant, adapted. Drought sensitive, weak. 34. Optimizing. Verb. Improving, refining. Worsening, damaging. 35. Soil. Noun. Earth, ground. 36. Techniques. Noun. Methods, strategies. Ignorance, disorganization. 37. Made. Verb. Created, built. Destroyed, undone. 38. More. Adjective slash adverb. Greater, additional. Less, fewer. 1. Coastal. Adjective. Seaside, shoreline. Inland, central. 2. Erosion. Noun. Wearing away, degradation. Build up, formation. 3. Sea level. Noun. Ocean height. Seabed, elevation. 4. Inland. Adjective slash adverb. Interior, central. Coastal, seaside. 5. Effects. Verb. Influences, impacts. Heals, improves. 6. Major. Adjective. Main, significant. Minor, trivial. 7. Displace. Verb. Remove, uproot. Settle, establish. 8. Damage. Noun slash verb. Harm, destruction. Repair, protection. 9. Inundate. Verb. Flood, overwhelm. Drain, dry. 10. Land. Noun. Ground, soil. Sea, water. 11. Along. Preposition. Beside, near. Away from, beyond. 12. Potentially. Adverb. Possibly, likely. Definitely, impossibly. 13. Displacing. Verb. Relocating, evicting. Placing, settling. 14. Up to. Phrase. As much as, until. Less than, under. 15. Primary. Adjective. Main, principal. Secondary, minor. 16. Reason. Noun. Cause, explanation. Consequence, effect. 17. Thermal. Adjective. Heat-related, warm. Cold, frigid. 18. Expansion. Noun. Growth, enlargement. Shrinkage, contraction. 19. Seawater. Noun. Ocean water, salt water. Fresh water, pure water. 20. Polar. Adjective. Arctic, frigid. Tropical, equatorial. 21. Ice caps. Noun. Glaciers, ice sheets. Melted land, water bodies. 22. Consequences. Noun. Outcomes, effects. Causes, reasons. 23. Launched. Verb. Started, initiated. Stopped, ended. 24. Mangrove. Noun. Swamp tree, coastal tree. 25. Rehabilitation. Noun. Restoration, recovery. Neglect, damage. 26. Project. Noun. Plan, assignment. Neglect, chaos. 27. Restore. Verb. Repair, recover. Destroy, ruin. 28. Forest. Noun. Woodland, jungle. Desert, urban area. 29. Aims. Noun/verb. Goals, targets. Neglect, randomness. 30. Restore. Verb. Renew, rebuild. Damage, destroy. 31. Act. Noun/verb. Deed, move. Inaction, hesitation. 32. Natural. Adjective. Organic, original. Artificial, man-made. 33. Barriers. Noun. Obstacles, blocks. Passages, openings. 34. Against. Preposition. Opposing, versus. 4. In favor. One. Threats. Noun. Dangers, risks. Safety, security. 2. Biodiversity. Noun. Variety of life, species richness. Extinction, uniformity. 3. Ecosystem. Noun. Environment, ecological system. 4. Rich, slash. Adjective. Abundant, fertile. Or, barren. 5. Under, slash. Preposition. Beneath, below. Above, over. 6. Disrupting. Verb. Disturbing, interrupting. Maintaining, stabilizing. 7. Habitats. Noun. Environments, dwelling places. Deserts, lifeless areas. 8. Leading to. Phrase. Resulting in, causing. Preventing, avoiding. 9. Decline. Noun/verb. Decrease, deterioration. Growth, increase. 10. Species, slash. Noun. Types, categories. 11. Degradation, slash. Noun. Deterioration, decay. Improvement, restoration. 12. Concerning. Adjective. Alarming, troubling. Reassuring, calming. 13. Relies. Verb. Depends, trusts. Avoids, resists. 14. Heavily, slash. Adverb. Greatly, intensely. Lightly, slightly. 15. Resources. Noun. Assets, supplies. Shortages, scarcities. 16. Livelihood. Noun. Employment, income. Unemployment, poverty. 17. Economic. Adjective. Financial, fiscal. Non-financial, social. 18. Activities. Noun. Actions, operations. Inaction, stillness. 19. Key, slash. Adjective. Crucial, essential. Trivial, insignificant. 20. Such as. Phrase. For example, like. 21. Snow. Noun. Ice, snowfall. Heat, sun. 22. Leopard. Noun. Wildcat, panther. 23. Dolphin. Noun. Aquatic mammal, porpoise. 24. Conditions. Noun. Situations, circumstances. Stability, normalcy. 25. Furthermore. Adverb. Moreover, in addition. However, nonetheless. 26. Hectares. Noun. Units of area, acres. 27. Annually. Adverb. Yearly, every year. Monthly, rarely. 28. Contribute to. Verb. Help, add to. Hinder, subtract from. 29. Destruction. Noun. Ruin, devastation. Construction, preservation. 30. Caused by. Phrase. Triggered by, resulted from. Independent of, unrelated. 31. Deforestation. Noun. Forest removal, logging. Reforestation, afforestation. 32. Unsustainable. Adjective. Unstable, harmful. Sustainable, eco-friendly. 33. Practices, slash. Noun. Methods, procedures. Neglect, ignorance. 34. Counter. Verb. Oppose, resist. Support, assist. 35. Trends. Noun. Patterns, movements. Stagnation, anomalies. 36. Initiated. Verb. Launched, commenced. Stopped, ended. 37. Protected. Adjective. Safeguarded, secured. Exposed, endangered. 38. Areas. Noun. Zones, regions. Points, spots. 39. Initiative, slash. Noun. Step, action. Hesitation, inactivity. 40. Conserve. Verb. Save, preserve. Waste, exploit. 41. Critical, slash. Adjective. Vital, crucial. Minor, insignificant. 42. Endangered. Adjective. Threatened, at risk. Safe, secure. 43. Expanding. Verb. Growing, enlarging. Shrinking, contracting. 44. Restoring. Verb. Recovering, repairing. Damaging, destroying. 45. Degraded. Adjective slash verb. Deteriorated, polluted. Improved, upgraded.